Hi, my name is Mary, and I've been studying in youth and adult correctional intervention for the past 2 years. This program is a mix of law, psychology, social work, and criminology to develop our human relation skills. We learn how to help people in their way back to society. Today, I'll show you a website that can be very useful in this field of study. When you graduate, you need to find a job, and the Batshaw Youth and Family Center website can show you where they can hire you. It can be very useful to use this to find your first job. When you arrive on this website, you can see the logo of the organism at the top left corner, next to the Quebec's government logo. Under this logo, you can see the navigation menu of the website. On the left of the page, you can see the phone number of the youth center to report a situation. In the middle of the page, you can see a small description of what you can find on the website. At the bottom of the page, there is the navigation menu with more details. With this, you can see where to go to learn more about the Batshaw centers. You can report a situation, and you can see why you should report some situation. You can also see how to help these kids by volunteering or by becoming a foster family. Finally, you can see where there are jobs, right here. In the middle of the page, they can explain you why you should volunteer, and if you're under 18, you can see here, by clicking on this, what are your rights. If you're looking to find a job, you can go on the navigation menu at the top of the page and press on the last button that says Jobs and Field Placement. They will take you to another website that is the Centre intégré universitaire de santé et de services sociaux de l'Ouest de l'île de Montréal. There, you can either find a job or find some internship. When you press on Find a Job, they will ask you where you want to work, what kind of job you're looking for, and you can select the job that you want. So if we go with Montreal, and after youth and adult correctional intervention, you want to become an educator, you press on search, and they'll show you all the jobs that you can apply to right now. This is why this is a very interesting website on this field of study.